Have you ever wondered why your snake plant stays healthy but seems to grow very slowly? Today I'll show you a simple, homemade plant booster using just 2 common kitchen ingredients that can support healthier growth and stronger looking leaves. First, take 1 liter of clean, room temperature water in a container. Now add 1 teaspoon of dry yeast. Yeast contains nutrients and compounds that can support microbial activity in the soil when used in moderation. Next, add 1 teaspoon of jaggery. Jaggery provides a small amount of readily available carbohydrates that can help support beneficial microorganisms in the soil. Mix everything thoroughly. Let the solution rest for about 1 hour. Before using it, dilute 1 part of this mixture with 3 parts clean water. Now gently apply a small amount around the soil near the base of your snake plant. Avoid pouring it directly onto the leaves or into the center of the plant. Use this homemade booster once every 3 to 4 weeks and always make sure your snake plant is growing in well-draining soil. Remember, snake plants prefer less water rather than too much water, so don't overwater them. With proper light, good drainage, and careful watering, this simple 2-ingredient routine can help keep your snake plant looking healthier and more vigorous. If you found this tip useful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with another plant lover.